On number 5 of my top 10 dives of 2025 is another Boyai Mines episode. It's completely unplanned. During one of the dives where we're installing a decompression habitat, we were in the water during a massive earthquake. So in neighboring Myanmar, there was a 7.7 Richter scale earthquake, which we could hear underwater. We didn't even know what it was, but we were literally underground when the ground was shaking. So yeah, is that a cool dive? No, not necessarily, but it definitely left an impression. So of dives to remember, and the way that also added to the story and the mission and the storytelling, definitely a well-deserved number 5 spot on my top 10 dives of 2025.